Hi dear students, today we'll discuss a new topic known as gravitation. The word gravitation originates from a Latin word which means move towards or be attracted to. It is the force of attraction. Remember, it is always attractive in nature. So it is the force of attraction between any two bodies in the universe. For example, force of attraction between sun and earth, force of attraction between table and chair in a room. So we know that there are four basic forces in nature, that is gravitational force, frictional force, electromagnetic force and nuclear force. Gravitational force is the weakest of the four basic forces in nature, and the nuclear force is the strongest force. So, being a weakest force, it plays a very important role in the birth of a star and also controlling the structure and evolution of entire universe. So, and the gravitation is important when the mass of the body is much more. In case of a smaller mass, its effect is not noticeable. So now the gravity. If one of the attracting body is the earth, then the gravitation is called gravity. Remember, it is a special case of gravitation. So gravity is the force of attraction between the earth and any object lying on or near the surface. So there are some difference between gravitation and gravity. Remember, the first is the gravity is the force of attraction between any two bodies in the universe, whereas gravity is the force of attraction between earth and any other bodies. The another point, very important point, that the gravitational force between two bodies can be zero if they are separated at infinite distance, but force of gravity is zero at center of earth. Now the another is the free fall. The free fall, the motion of a body under the influence of gravity alone is called as the free fall. If air friction is neglected, then the fall of a body in air is a free fall. In fact, a body falls freely only in vacuum. The motion of a small heavy body in air may be taken as a free fall because the air friction on it is very small and can be neglected. So now come to the acceleration due to gravity. We know when a body falls towards surface of the earth, its velocity continuously increases, and hence acceleration is produced. Acceleration is produced in a body called as acceleration due to gravity. It means the acceleration produced in a freely falling body under the gravitational pull of the earth is called acceleration due to gravity. It is denoted by a small g. It is a vector quantity having direction towards the center of the earth, and it does not depend on the mass, size and slope of the body. So its value is 9.8 meter per second square, or in other words we can say that the acceleration of a freely falling object towards the earth is 9.8 meter per second square. Thank you. And now in the next topic you will discuss about the Newton's law of